everybody, welcome back to my channel. Now you are watching a 5-star hotel. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this property like landmark, reviews, location, price, amenities of the property and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location and here is the nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 9.4, which is the superb. On the screen, you can find all the restaurant details, including information about the cuisine, ambience, and dietary options. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, room view, amenities, facilities, and amenities, etc. Room category second. Room category third. Room category fourth. Category fifth. Category sixth. Category seventh. Room category eighth. Room category ninth. Room category 10th. Room category 11th. Room category 12th. Room category 13th. Next we talk about the amenities of this hotel. So you can see on the screen many categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Pets are allowed in this hotel. The location of the hotel is first class and guests equally enjoy the beautiful surroundings. In the hotel, except credit cards and reserve the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The check-in time of this hotel is 3 p.m. and the check-out time is 12 p.m. Guests are required to show a photo ID at check-in. Several deals and offers are available online for this hotel, along with various plans and payment policy. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this hotel, then you can tell us by booking. For more details, go to link in this video. If you have already checked out from this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed our channel yet, then you must subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any video of our upcoming hotel. Thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends, will meet again in a new video with a new property. Be safe, be happy.